In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the retention report in Mixpanel. Retention shows how many users come back after they first engage with your product, and the retention report in Mixpanel is the best place to explore that. We'll walk through setting it up from scratch so you can quickly see who returns, when they return, and what patterns stand out. Start by opening Mixpanel and heading to your project's home. Make sure you're in the correct project, since events and properties are scoped to each one, and then look for the option to create something new. Click Create New to open the list of available reports and tools. From that list, choose Retention. This opens the Retention Report Builder with a few empty fields we'll fill in next. You'll first see a prompt to select event. This first selection defines the starting event, the action that begins the retention clock. Click Select Event and choose the event that represents the user's initial action, such as signing up, completing onboarding, or performing a key feature action. Pick the event that best reflects the moment you consider a user activated or engaged for the first time. Next, you'll select the return event. Click Select Event again and choose the action you want users to come back and do. This can be the same event as the starting one if you're measuring classic end-day retention, or a different event if you want to know whether users return to perform another meaningful action. For example, if your starting event is sign up, your returning event might be start session or create project depending on your product goals. With events selected, adjust your time settings. You can customize the date range to define the window you want to analyze, such as the last 30 days, last quarter, or a custom time frame. You can also think about the granularity you care about, like daily, weekly, or monthly retention, to match your product's usage cycle. To refine the audience, click Filter. Filters let you narrow the analysis to specific segments, such as a certain platform, region, plan type, or experiment variant. This helps you compare apples to apples and isolate patterns among similar users. Finally, click Breakdown to segment the retention results by a property. For example, breakdown by device, country, or acquisition channel to see which groups retain better. The chart and table will update to show retention curves and percentages for each segment, so you can spot standout cohorts and opportunities to improve. That's it. You've set up a retention report in Mixpanel, selected meaningful events, tuned your time frame, and sliced the results for deeper insight.